Dear student, now I will discuss about a new chapter, that is aryl diazonium salt. Aryl diazonium salt. The general formula of aryl diazonium salt is this. This is the general formula of aryl diazonium salt. Ar means aryl group, bond N, triple bond N, your plus is present and your X minus is present. Where we can write Ar means aryl group, that is your bond C6H5 phenyl group. X means Cl minus, Br minus, HSO4 minus, etc. They are so called diazonium salt because they contain diazo group. Because they contain diazo group. Diazo group means that is your bond N, triple bond N, your plus charge is present. This is your said to be diazo group. The word diazo derived from two words. One is your di, another is your azo. The word azo comes from azoto, which means nitrogen. That means diazo means contain two nitrogen atom. Contain two nitrogen atom. Look at that. Here two nitrogen atom are present. So this group are called diazonium salt. Take some example of diazonium salt. Suppose take aryl group, that is your phenyl group. This is the phenyl group. And suppose Cl minus is taken as X. That means we can write this. This is an example of aryl diazonium salt. The name of this salt is your benzene diazonium chloride. Similarly, you take another example. This is an example of aryl diazonium salt. The name of this compound is para-toluene diazonium chloride. Now I will discuss about the benzene diazonium chloride. That is shortly called BDC. At first I will discuss about the preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride can be prepared from aniline. This is the structure of aniline. Aniline is treated with the sodium nitrate and also with a mineral acid, that is your HCl, at ice cold temperature, that is your 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. Then what will happen? BDC will be formed. Look at that. This is your BDC. N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. Here 2 HCl molecule is taken and the byproduct are NaCl. Here one chlorine atom present, here one sodium atom present. As a result, we can able to form NaCl is the byproduct. Here 2 hydrogen, here 2 oxygen, here 2 hydrogen. As a result, we able to form 2 water molecule. So we can write a statement for this reaction. The 1 degree aromatic amine react with the sodium nitrate and with a mineral acid, that is we take HCl at ice cold temperature, that is we can think about 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin to form arene diazonium chloride, and this reaction is called diazotization. We can also write, when aniline is treated with the sodium nitrate and HCl at ice cold temperature, that is 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin, then BTC is formed. Now I will discuss about the properties. At first I will discuss about the physical properties. The diazonium salts are, first point is the diazonium salts are colorless crystalline solid, which turns into brown when exposure to air. Next point is your diazonium salts are soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol and ether. Next point is your the aqueous solution of diazonium salt are good conductor of electricity. Most of the diazonium salt are unstable in their dry state. Diazonium salts can form double salt with the metallic salt. These are the physical property of benzene diazonium chloride. Now I will discuss about the chemical properties. At first I will discuss about the formation of benzene. That means the formation of benzene from BDC. This is the structure of BDC. BDC is treated with the hypophosphorus acid and also water. In the presence of Cu2Cl2, then benzene is formed. I can write the water like this, HOH. At first I will remove the byproduct, that is your H3PO3, like this. The byproduct is your H3PO3. There are two hydrogen atoms present. Remove an HCl molecule by this hydrogen atom. So another byproduct is your HCl. Next is your N2, and the remaining part is your this part, and the hydrogen atom able to form benzene. This is your benzene. The name of this compound is BDC. So we can write a statement BDC on treatment with the hypophosphorus acid, that is your H3PO2, in the presence of Cu2Cl2 gets reduced to benzene. This is also called, that means preparation of benzene is also considered as deamination process. This is the method of preparation of benzene from BDC. Next I will discuss about the synthesis of halobenzene. At first I will discuss about the synthesis of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. That means we think about the Sandmeyer's reaction. It is already discussed in the chlorobenzene chapter. That is your haloarine. This is your BDC. Now it is subjected to reaction with the CuCl, which is dissolved in HCl. Then chlorobenzene is formed with the evolution of nitrogen gas. This is your said to be chlorobenzene. This is your said to be BDC. Similarly, we can think about the preparation of bromobenzene from BDC. This is your BDC. It is subjected to reaction with the solution of CuBr, which is dissolved in HBr. Then the product is your bromobenzene and also nitrogen gas. This is your said to be bromobenzene. This is your BDC. Now we can write a statement for this reaction when the solution of BDC is added with the solution of cuprous chloride in HCl. Cuprous chloride dissolved in HCl or cuprous bromide dissolved in HBr. Then chlorobenzene or bromobenzene is formed respectively. This is the statement for Sandmeyer reaction. Now I will discuss about the preparation of iodobenzene. For the preparation of iodobenzene, at first I will take the BDC. Now the solution of BDC is heated with the Ki. Then there is a removal of KCl molecule and removal of nitrogen molecule. So we can write the byproduct are KCl and another is your nitrogen. Now I will attach this part with the iodine to form the iodobenzene. This is your said to be iodobenzene. This is your said to be BDC. So we can write a statement when the solution of BDC is heated with the heated with the Ki, then iodobenzene is formed. Then iodobenzene is formed. Next I will discuss about the preparation of fluorobenzene. Preparation of fluorobenzene is done by the help of Ball-Simon reaction. In this reaction, BTC is subjected to reaction with the fluoroboric acid. This is your fluoroboric acid. Then there is a removal of HCl molecule. Then fluoroborate is formed. That is your said to be benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Now this is subjected to heating. Then what will happen? Fluorobenzene is formed with the byproduct nitrogen and BF3. This is your said to be fluorobenzene. This is your BTC. So you can write a statement when the solution of BTC is treated with the fluoroboric acid, then benzene diazonium fluoroborate is formed, which on heating produce fluorobenzene. This is your said to be Ball-Simon reaction. Now I will discuss about the preparation of cyanobenzene. For the preparation of cyanobenzene, we need the BTC. This is the structure of BTC. It is subjected to heating with the CuCl. Then what will happen? CuCl is produced as the byproduct, and also another byproduct is your nitrogen, and this Cl will attach here to form the cyanobenzene. This is your said to be cyanobenzene. So you can write a statement for this reaction. When BTC is heated with the CuCl, then cyanobenzene is formed. This reaction is also called Sandmer reaction. Now I will discuss about the preparation of phenol. When aqueous solution of BTC means there is an addition of water, is subjected to warming, then phenol is formed. Here the byproduct is your HCl, and another byproduct is your nitrogen, and this part will attach here to form the phenol. That is your said to be phenol. This is your said to be BTC. For this reaction, we can write a statement. When the aqueous solution of BTC is heated, then phenol is formed. Next is your preparation of nitrobenzene. At first, BTC is subjected to reaction with the HbF4, that is your fluoroboric acid. Then benzene diazonium fluoroborate is formed. There is a release of byproduct, that is your HCl. Again this benzene diazonium fluoroborate is subjected to reaction with the NaNO2, that is your sodium nitrate. Then nitrobenzene is formed. It is done in the presence of copper powder. Then nitrobenzene is formed. The byproducts are N2 and another is your NaBF4. So we can write a statement: when BTC is treated with the fluoroboric acid, then benzene diazonium fluoroborate is formed, which on treatment with the sodium nitrate in the presence of copper powder gives nitrobenzene. When BTC is treated with the fluoroboric acid, then benzene diazonium fluoroborate is formed, which on treatment with the sodium nitrate in presence of copper powder, then nitrobenzene is formed. Now I will discuss about the coupling reaction. Coupling reaction. Arene diazonium salts react with the electron rich, that is your highly reactive aromatic compound such as phenol and amine to form bright azo compound, that is your Ar bond N, double bond N, bond Ar. This reaction is called coupling. Coupling generally occur at para position if the para position is unoccupied. If the para position is occupied, then coupling occur at ortho position. The coupling with phenol generally occur at basic medium, that is your pH 9 to 10, while the coupling between amine generally occur at a acidic medium, that is your pH is equal to 4 to 5 at 273 Kelvin temperature. Remember this point, this is a very important point. Generally coupling occur at para position. If para position is occupied, then coupling takes place at ortho position. If I want to take a coupling reaction with phenol, then we need basic medium, that is your pH 9 to 10. Similarly, if I want to take a coupling with amine, then I need acidic medium and the pH is your 4 to 5 and the temperature must be 273 Kelvin. Now I will think about the coupling with phenol. Now I will take the example of coupling reaction with phenol. Take at first BDC. This is your said to be BDC molecule. Now it is subjected to reaction with phenol. This is the structure of phenol. This is the hydrogen atom present at the para position. We take a base. pH is your 9 to 10. Then what will happen? There is a loss of HCl molecule, and we will get a azo compound. This is an azo compound. The name of this compound is your para-hydroxy azobenzene. This is your orange dye. This is your BDC. This is your said to be phenol. Suppose I will take another example. This is your BDC. Suppose I will take the
paracrisol.
Look at that here. Para position is occupied by CH3 group. So coupling takes place at ortho position. So the hydrogen atom at ortho position react with the chlorine to form the HCl as the byproduct. Here also a base is taken. pH is your 9 to 10. Then what will happen? This is your azo product which is formed. The name of this compound is your 2-phenyl azo 4-methyl phenol. These are the examples of coupling reaction with the phenol. Now I will discuss about the coupling reaction with the amine. Take BDC. This is your BDC. Now it is subjected to reaction with the an amine. This is your said to be NN dimethyl aniline. Here we need an acidic medium. pH must be maintained 4 to 5. Then this para hydrogen will react with the chlorine and form a byproduct, that is your HCl, and the azo product is your this. This is your azo product. The name of this compound is your para-anion dimethyl azobenzene. This is your butter yellow solid. This is your BDC. Now I will take another example of coupling reaction of amine in which methyl orange is formed. This react with the N,N-dimethyl aniline. This is your N,N-dimethyl aniline. There is a loss of HCl molecule which is considered as the byproduct. This is your said to be methyl orange. Methyl orange. This is all about your benzene diazonium chloride.